Hello guys, welcome to it. If you're on YouTube, my channel, welcome. My name is Justine Lehmer and I am a social media consultant and a content creator. Here on YouTube, I love to talk about social media and I love to show you how to create amazing and unique content like what we are going to do today. And so today I wanted to show you 3 ways to remove a background from a picture using only your phone. So yes guys, you are going to be able to remove whatever background you have on your picture, on an image that you find online that is free to use. And you will be able to remove that background using only free apps. So 3 free apps that you are about to download to remove the background. I am not going only to throw those apps to your face and tell you to figure it out. We are going to do a step-by-step tutorial where I am going to show you everything that you need to do on each app. So that's going to be pretty fun, and let's get started with the first app. And so the first one is the Over app. If you follow me since a while, you know that the Over app and I have a pretty good relationship. We are always together and I do all my editing on the Over app. So go over into the App Store or the Play Store because Over is also available on Android, and download the app Over. So we're going to do this together on my App Store and we will tap Over. Now you can see that you have Over Graphic Design Maker. So since I already downloaded it, it says open, but you can download it for free and you will be able to remove a background with the free version of Over. Alright, you all, let's get started. What we're gonna do is opening the app, then you will go in that plus yellow button and you will choose transparent background. You can choose any size or you can choose the size of the picture you are about to remove the background from. I'm going to use the portrait size of Instagram. Then in image you can choose from your photo library or you can go and look for any free images, and I'm going to use this lady. So we're going to resize and we are going to go into the mask option. The cycle here that you can see that is full is the option, is the mask that you are going to use to take off the background. If you do something wrong and you didn't want it to mask that part of the image, you can use the circle that is not full and go back like this. Or you can, if you do wrong and you go a little bit too much on the picture, you can go in the return arrow in the top left. So if you want to go in detail, you only have to zoom and you will be able to take off pixel by pixel and be really precise on what you are taking off. You can also use this one that will make the edges a little less hard on the picture, so it will smooth those edges. So let's do that in a time lapse. I will come back when it's done. Is completely removed, so now we can check that yellow check mark and we are going to save our picture. Make sure in the export settings that your format is in PNG, which is the high quality with transparency. Once you make sure it's in PNG, you can save it. And if you want to add that pictures in another background, you can go transparent, go in portrait. What about this one? Perfect. Some clouds, fill up the background and select you. Girl, here you go. Here she is in the cloud. That's awesome. That was the first way to remove a background from a picture with your phone. Now we're gonna go to the second app, which is also free, the app called PicsArt. If you don't know what is the app PicsArt, this is basically an app to design and edit pictures the same way as Over. With a little bit of more stickers, background, you can pretty much be extremely creative on this app, and this app is free. I use PicsArt for free. However, the app Over I paid for about $100 a year. But for PicsArt, most of the features that I use are free and I don't need to pay for it. So let's get into it. So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to select whatever, an image. Let's take Evan and I here. Perfect. And we're going to remove that background. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to use cutout, and we're going to select the person because we want to cut out the persons out of that background. So if you do preview, you can see that the background disappeared and there's only Evan and I. However, there's a couple of things on that picture that we do not want, like this part here and maybe on this part in the middle of Evan and I. You're going to restore and erase. Less with PicsArt is that you cannot really zoom that close, so you have less access to the corners, and this is kind of hard to go deep into detail since you cannot really move as close as you can move on Over. So this is what I would say it's a little bit harder and a little bit longer to do it on this app. You can save your work, post it, and save it into your library. When it's done, you are able to change the background, as I said. So let's say that Evan and I want to be here, and you are going to go on stickers, my stickers, and the cutouts that you just made. Put yourself on a whole new background. You can add some effect to your cutout, whatever you feel will look best on the picture, and you're done. And the last but not least, Magic Eraser app. So, same, you're going to go on your App Store, on your Play Store, and unlock Magic Eraser. Basically, as the name of the app says, it's a magic eraser, so you erase whatever you want out of a picture. What you need to do is go into your app, and you don't have to start a free trial, you don't have to pay for anything, you just go into the app and go into photo, and you select whatever photo you feel like, take off the background out. So we're going to take a picture of me. The thing that I like to do is use the eraser brush like in PicsArt and in Over, and just mask everything out of the picture like this. And so see, you can make your eraser a little bit bigger to get like more at once, but if you want to get into the details, you put your brush a little bit more down, and see, you can, like Over, you can go really close and zoom close from the subject you want to cut out, and it's way easier to do the angles. That was super fast and smooth. I took way less time removing the background on this app than on PicsArt. Isn't it fun? Isn't it fun to discover new apps and to know how to do new things and I love to teach you that. So if you want to see more of those kind of videos, because I will make more of those, subscribe to my channel down below and don't forget to like this video if you learned something today. I am super excited to see what you're gonna do when removing your background. So if you are making one of those and post on Instagram, don't forget to tag me. It will be awesome to see what you did. And yeah, I will see you next Friday. Until then, take care. Bye.